My honest review on Alpilean.
Hello, are you struggling to get off that stubborn belly fat, and even when you do, it still persists no matter what you try? Well, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to talk to you about an amazing supplement called Alpilean, which is completely all natural and has been dominating the weight loss industry. But before we get started, you might wonder who I am and why I'm doing this. Well, hello, I'm Kareem, and I'm a health researcher who's very passionate about studying different herbs, tonics, and products out there in the market. And I do this primarily for two reasons. One is to benefit my own health and my own understanding of these supplements and how they can help people. And my other reason is to give you, the viewers, my friends and family, the best knowledge on supplements. Because let's face it, there's thousands of supplements out there making all kinds of claims, and they can't all be true. So my goal is to help you get the right information so that you don't take anything that doesn't do anything, or worse, is a detriment to your health. So make sure you stay till the end of this video and watch everything, because I'm going to talk to you all about the Alpilean supplement. I'm going to explain what it is, what it does, who should or shouldn't take it, any potential side effects, and all the information you're going to need to know. So first of all, we need to get started with what is Alpilean. So Alpilean is a blend of 8 different herbs, nutrients, and plants. And it targets the major cause of weight gain, which is low inner body temperature. Now you might be asking, what is low inner body temperature? After 170 years of study from Stanford University, they found that people who are overweight have low inner body temperature, as opposed to people who are thin, who have normal body temperature. Now this isn't the temperature of your skin or your hands or anything that you can see. This is the temperature of your cells, your organs, and your internal functions. If they are low, or if you have lower body temperature, 1% can increase your metabolism or decrease your metabolism by just 13%. So you can see how important it is to have a normal body temperature. When you have low body temperature, that leads to slow metabolism and ultimately leads to weight gain. And Alpilean helps by flushing out all the toxins in your body so that you can normalize your body temperature, in turn normalizing your metabolism and helping you lose weight. So before we get started into all the details about Alpilean, I need to let you know about some things going on with it. Since it's so popular and a lot of people know about it, they've made a lot of fancy websites with fake discounts. They look very real and they can be very convincing, but they won't actually send you the product, and even worse, they may just take your income. So to avoid all of this problem, I have left the link to the official Alpilean product where you can get it down below. Also, you want to be careful of YouTube reviewers who say, I've used Alpilean for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, or even an extended period of time. This product just came to market. How can somebody have a review that they've used it for multiple years when it's only been out for a short period of time? So please be aware of these YouTube reviewers. So how do you take Alpilean? So you just take 1 capsule in the morning with water, your favorite beverage, and it helps to flush out all of the toxins, impurities, and problems in your digestive system. This in turn helps give you a better body temperature, helps raise your inner body temperature, and ultimately pushes your metabolism higher so you can burn more fat. Now this is unique in the fact that you don't have to exercise extensively or go to the gym or modify your diet. You might be saying, I've heard all of this before. How does that actually work? But by doing this, it helps to balance out leptin receptors. A lot of people haven't heard of leptin receptors. These are receptors in your brain that when they're out of whack or they're not working, your body will start to have cravings. And you'll have cravings to eat all the wrong foods at all the wrong times, in turn making you put on all the weight even if you've lost it. Alpilean helps to regulate your leptin receptors so you can effectively lose the weight and keep it off. But as we know, supplements are only as effective as the ingredients in them. There are many amazing ingredients in the Alpilean supplement, but let's talk about the most important ones that do most of the work. First, we have golden algae, which is helpful for a number of reasons, such as liver health, brain health, bone health, and regulating your inner body temperature. Deca nut, which is good for regulating bloating, cholesterol, and overall digestion. We have drumstick tree leaf, or known as moringa leaf, which is rich in antioxidants and supports your body's health. We have ginger rhizome, which is good for tooth and gum health. And last but not least, we have turmeric rhizome, or known as turmeric root, which is good for skin health and also regulating your inner body temperature. So with all these amazing ingredients, you're probably wondering, are there any side effects or downsides? I'm happy to say that it's FDA approved, GMP certified facility, and it is all natural, so there are no side effects. However, there are a few considerations you should take if you're looking at the Alpilean supplement. If you're 15 or pregnant, then you should not be taking this supplement. Don't try and take a majority of the Alpilean supplement in one day or rush it, as that could cause health complications. If you're on a strict medical regimen or if you've been taking medication for a long time, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor. And you cannot find this Alpilean supplement offline. The only place to get it is online in their official website, so keep that in mind. I tried to look for a discount on the official Alpilean website, and I'm happy to say I found an 80% discount in the link in the description down below. So for everyone who watched my video, I wish you the best of luck in your weight loss journey and your health journey overall. Take care.
If you liked my honest review of Alpilean, then please share it with your friends and family.